Oh, imagine when baby octopuses suck on their thumb. The suckers. They'd get their thumb or tentacle stuck in their mouth. Oh wow, look at the mouth. You can't see the beak. I think he's hiding it. Wow, that's amazing. Ooh, he's gonna change color. I think. Hold on, dude. Why can't I see the octopus beak? I don't know. Does he not have